If you want to write code using the Go programming language, I don't think it's going to come as a surprise to you that you got to have Go installed. So if you're on OS X, you can do that with brew install Go, and that will install it from Homebrew. Or if you're on Windows, you can use the Chocolatey package manager and do choco install Golang. And if you're on Linux, then you can go to the Go website and download the binaries and copy them to user local bin. One thing to know about writing code in Go is you don't need a runtime, so you don't have to install Go anywhere that you want to run the application. You're just going to compile that to a binary and then distribute that binary.